So when you weave product in, which means as the product's coming out, we have a very thick fudge here that we're going to weave into it. Almost as the ice cream's coming out, it's going to catch the fudge and flow. But we also want to make sure that the edges of the tub have some fudge on it as well. So if you kind of see here, what I like to do is just kind of paint the edges of the tub. This way when this freezes up in my blast freezer and I put it in my dipping cabinet and now I'm kind of scraping the edges of it, you know, I'm also rippling the edges. It's not only weaved into the internal side of the ice cream, it's also catching on the outside of the ice cream. And there's, you know, this is kind of like, you know, painting as a kid. You know, my daughter would love that. You know, just throw it in there and spread it around, have some fun. So you can see we've been freezing for about 3 minutes. Our viscosity is already creeping up to about 31. In our last video series with this machine, we made flavors of Italian ice, just to show you the difference. We actually took that ice out at a viscosity of about 22, 23. So you can see with the ice cream, the motor's already working harder with the ice cream to get it out. The machine's starting to shake a little bit and talk to us, which is good. So actually, we're going to take this out at about 40 viscosity because the ice cream is ready. So we're going to fold in our Heath bar and our fudge. Kind of let some ice cream out and then fold it in, or you could do it as it's coming out. So go ahead, Ange.
And if you're only doing this with one person, you can stop the dasher.
Yep, go ahead, stop it. Kind of weave it in.
And weave it in and add your toppings. And then turn it back on. Luckily, Rob and I are doing this together, so we have 4 hands.
It looks awesome. That's pretty much all we're going to get. Let's cut that off, Ange. And shut that down, the handle, please. So we're going to kind of fill the top. Get a little bit more fudge. We always want a little bit more of the toppings up top because that's the first thing that people see, you know? So you kind of finish it off there, and this is ready for our dipping cabinet. I always like to make sure, clean off the top of my tub.
Presentation is everything.
That's good, Andrew. Here we go, and we're ready for the blast freezer. That is our vanilla cake fudge with Heath bar.